Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with Nishant, and today is lesson 10. So what we are going to learn today is closure in Swift. What is closure? How it is different from function? How to pass parameter in closure? How to return values from closure? How to use closure as a parameter? What is trailing closure? So these are the questions which I am going to cover in my video. Okay, so closure is pretty much not exactly a function which doesn't have any name, or you can assign to any variable, and you can use a function as a integer or a variable, and you can pass that name in particular function. So the way of using closure as a string or integer is called closure. Okay, so this is very interesting thing, and it is very widely used in Swift, so it's better to be familiar with the closure. Okay, it does, I mean, like, I'm not sure you are aware about blocks or not, but I can explain you. Like, it is kind of blocks like anonymous method which doesn't have any name. You can assign a whole block or whole closure to any variable and use that variable as a function. So this is very interesting thing, I must say. So it is always a good to, I mean, like, because it is widely used way of using methods and functions, so I must say you should know this. Okay, so let's start creating one closure, very simple closure. Okay, so let's start that. Okay, let, okay, eating is equal to start braces, close braces. Inside that you can print I am eating. Okay, so this is how you declare your closure. So closure is start from here, end here, and you assign this particular block or closure to this variable, this string or variable or anything you can say. Okay, so how you call this closure? Okay, so it exactly work like function, but you can assign as a integer or string. Okay, so I'm going to call this closure. Okay, so calling this closure is pretty much similar to function. Boom, now if you run, you see the results. See, I am eating. So this is first thing, like how we declare a simple closure, how we use it, what is the syntax of closure. And now second is how we pass a parameter in closure. Okay, so just suppose you are eating and you are going to pass some parameter from here. Okay, okay, that, okay, so let me start everything from start to avoid any confusion. Okay, let eating equal to start closure, end closure, and inside that, right after the braces start, create your parameter. Okay, how you create it? Dish. Okay, colon, this type will be string, and right after that in, you let your compiler know. After that, this is the definition. Okay, right after in, it will treat every line as a statement inside the definition. Now if you print I am eating, okay, burger. okay, in dinner. Okay, now you say eating, you call eating and pass your, sorry, it should be dish, and here you will pass your burger. Okay, now run and see. Okay, so you pass this string here as a parameter, it accepts it, and right after in it is running this statement. So you are seeing the output, I am eating burger. Okay, so this is pretty much straightforward. Now third will be closer as a parameter. So third will be we can okay, how to pass parameter. Okay, what is closer is done, how it is different from function. Okay, one more thing, how it is different. So let me answer that. If you see in a function, every function, if you pass in a parameter, you can create a label of a parameter, and you can pass, you have to pass every parameter with the parameter label. But here it is not like that, you can't use parameter labels. Okay, so now, okay, let's jump into how to return values from closer. Okay, here let eating, I mean like the basic structure of closer. Okay, so second what we will do, we'll create a return closer. Okay, which will accept parameters from another closer. Okay, let's do that. Let eating to return, okay, is equal to braces start, braces end. Inside that, okay, inside that braces start, and we will do dish colon string. Okay, return type is string in, and right after in will in, yes, return. Let's copy this part here. Okay, not print, just return, we are just returning the value. Okay, dish. Now what we will do, we'll create another closer and call this method. I mean like, to call this closer, we'll create another variable or string, and inside that we will pass the value, and let's see what will happen. Okay, let print my message equal to eating to return. Okay, and let's pass inside that this value, Big Mac. Okay, and now print this. So what exactly we are doing inside this, let's run first and see. I am eating Big Mac in my dinner. So this is the basic closer. Okay, this is the basic closer. Inside that we are creating another closure and calling this closure and passing this value to dash and printing this print message. So see, this is how we do return in closure. Okay, so next what we are going to study next will be closure as a parameter. Okay, let's do that. Let me remove everything to avoid any confusion. Okay, what is how we can send closure as a parameter. Okay, just suppose we create a simple let's undo everything. Just create this I am eating. Okay, let's eat. I'm like, no, I don't want anything, no parameter here, just a simple closure. Okay, this is a simple closure. So now let's create one function. Okay, inside function, let me create one function get food. Okay, and get food, and inside function there is the parameter action. Okay, get food is a function name, and this is the parameter, and this is the colon, and then will declare return type void because it's a method, and then now print I want food. Okay, then call this method. Okay, action, and then third print I got food. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will call this method and pass this closure. Okay, perfect. So get food. Okay, get food, and inside that, sorry, this action. Okay, we'll pass this parameter action, and inside that we will pass this closure as a parameter. Okay, now run and see. Okay, I want food action, I am eating. So this is the closure which we passed as a parameter inside a function. Okay, now third, I got food. So what you learned today, how we pass closure as a parameter inside a function. Okay, so what we did, first we created one closure, a simple closure which we are going to pass inside a method or function. Now we created one function, Swift function name is get food, and inside that there is a one action which will accept as a parameter, and then there are three statements, print, action, and print again. So this particular part we are passing from here. Okay, now you understand. Okay, hope this is very much clear. If you still have any question or any doubt, you can just comment down below. I will be more happy to help you out. Last, what is trailing closure? So this is pretty interesting thing in Swift. So just suppose in any of your function, having a last parameter as a closer, so you can call or pass that parameter directly from the function. Okay, you don't have to create a separate method or a closer. Okay, how it works I can show you in here. Okay, so just suppose you have one function eating, and inside one closer action, return type void, and just start writing one statement, that is simple print statement message 1, and then action closer. Okay, and third will be 3. Okay, because you have only one parameter in this function, so we can directly use this hold on, eating, and you can simply pass your message print. Now run and see. So this is called trailing closer. So this is your function. Inside function, your last parameter or single parameter will consider as a last parameter as a closer. So print 1, this action block, and then print, and we are passing parameter as a closer from here, that is message 2. So instead of action, we are printing this particular value. Hope you like this video and you have clear understanding about what is closer. So I hope I answered all the questions and you understand better. Still, if you have any question, you can comment down below. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.